Hey guys.
Hello.
Hey!
This is our little
Kind of like an at-home vlog.
Yeah.
and like art class day, I guess. Art and science together. So we've been doing a lot of coloring.
A lot of coloring.
Of coloring.
So
So we got why do we have, what is this one?
This one's a Stitch. I colored this one, and then
Why do you have Stitch?
because I love Stitch and he's my favorite character. And
So we
then
did a bunch of Stitch.
Daddy colored that
No,
one.
we're staying
yeah.
in Stitch. Oh,
And
Brielle did. Brielle.
I did that one. And then
Daddy
did that one.
And staying with that theme,
I did this one.
I
Mommy
wonder
did
why.
That one.
I love Disney. It's my favorite
all
thing in the
love
whole world. And then you did this
Daddy
one.
colored that one.
So we've been having some fun with some coloring art class. This is good. Then we transitioned into Brielle's
Harry.
other favorite thing.
Harry Potter. So I colored that one. It's Harry, Hermione, and Ron. And then
Brielle did this one.
I did that one. That one's Ginny. And I did Florida Chlor.
She likes all the girls in
I really
the show, in the movie.
Not this one.
Oh yes, and I did that one too. And then
I did this
I
one.
did that one. And
Comment
then,
below if you know who this is.
Or if you know who this is.
Mommy did that one, and we did. So we love doing the coloring sheets. So we've been coloring just after walks and after I've been doing my school. So we've been finding coloring pages, and then we've been printing them and then coloring them.
Since this is art class, also an experimenting time.
We're gonna do a STEAM activity.
STEM active, STEM.
Steam.
Well, the A in STEAM is for art.
So, mommy, Stephanie, has been giving haircuts to me. So I got a haircut today while Brielle was coloring, and Stephanie's been an expert because she's been doing it, we think, since like 2015.
Oh yeah, I think
So
we saved a lot of money on
we
haircuts.
saved a lot of money on haircuts. So
we
that
weren't
was our-
nervous. We weren't nervous that the barbershops are closed for him because I don't think you've been to
So
a
that's
barbershop
part of our art
years.
classes.
So hair art classes.
So we're actually, now that we've done a little bit of art and a little bit of I don't know what that is, but creative
Hair
arts.
cutting art.
haircutting art.
We're gonna do a little experiment today. We're gonna do a little bit of science. So we're gonna gather our materials. They'll magically appear in just a minute. We're gonna gather some materials to do something really cool.
So we decided to do a homemade lava lamp as a science experiment. So for the things that you will need a container.
Clear container.
A clear container. It can be a glass container or a plastic container. Something to stir with. Some food coloring, some oil, some water, and 2 to 3
Alka-Seltzer.
Alka-Seltzers.
Or store brand.
Or store brand. So first we're going to pour in our water.
I need more because it's a big container.
Should we get some
Need
more?
'cause it's a big container.
So we needed some more water because it's we got a really big container, so we're gonna need some more water. So here that is. So and then we're gonna pour some more water in. And then we are going to put our food coloring. For like better results, you want to do a darker color, so we chose red. We do okay. And then I'm gonna stir with my stir stick.
Good.
We need darker.
Nope.
Okay.
I think maybe a little darker. Yeah, because the oil's yellow, so we want to make sure it's nice and dark.
That in.
Let's see how that works.
And then we are going to put like a thick layer of olive oil.
Wait, what happens with the olive oil?
It doesn't mix with water, so it will float on the top. So we're going to need like a pretty thick layer of olive oil.
Keep going, probably. Alright, that should be good. Let's see how high it goes. should use less water and more oil.
Yeah.
So hold on.
You're gonna want to use more oil and less water
This is an experiment. We're just trying stuff.
for like best results. So
Guess we
now,
should have used less water. That would have worked better.
so now I'm going to
Wanna do it in the
put
dark?
my. Oh yeah. So we have a light. You can use a light. You can put it on top. Well, you can put it on. You can put it on top and turn on the lights, and it will look even better than regular. So,
Ooh.
oh, that looks really cool.
I'll hold it here. I'll hold it here.
So, how many should I drop in at once?
Do 2 first and see what
So
happens.
I'm gonna put 2 in. That's really cool.
Hold on.
I'm having a hard time seeing the red and the yellow.
Yeah, the red and the yellow did not work. So let's try another color. Wait.
Oh, sorry.
Let's try another color.
Okay, we don't want to empty another Alka-Seltzer in there.
Right.
So it is
So we
turning
need-
out really cool.
You can see it bubbling.
So I think it's like a lava lamp, because if you know lava lamp, the liquid goes up and then it falls back down. So that's what the olive oil is doing. It's like thicker, so it'll go into the olive oil, and then the color will fall back down, so it looks like a lava lamp.
All right, guys. So we learned 2 things here. I think the first one was we used too much water. Second thing, color.
Oh yeah, the color. This red is like not quite dark enough to contrast with the yellow oil.
So we need a yellow and a contrasting color.
So we're gonna try something else. First, we're gonna try a smaller container. This is a little too big. And we're gonna use less water. We decided only 1 cup of water this time. And Brielle was looking at the food coloring container.
And we decided to do a dark blue, which is 1 drop of red coloring and 6 drops of blue coloring. So we're gonna try that this time. So we have our red and our blue, and then we're going to pour our water in.
I'm out.
We might need the funnel. So we got the funnel because it's a little bit harder to pour it into this one. So that's another thing that you might need to use is the funnel. So.
All right, that looks like a good amount of water.
Yeah.
How many drops of blue, Brielle?
It said 6.
Okay, so let's count them out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. That's it. So then we're gonna put that back on.
How many reds?
1.
All
So
right.
that was 1. And make sure you're wearing clothes that you don't really care to get messy, because this food coloring might get messy. I've already got it all over my hands.
I feel like you're bleeding.
It really does.
Science can be messy, guys.
Think that's dark enough?
Oh yeah, that's pretty dark. So-
Comment below what's the best way to get out food coloring from your skin.
Because I've been trying to get it off for a while and I still can't. Oh yeah, so we're gonna use a thick layer of olive oil because the thick is the best.
This is vegetable
Do
oil,
it.
not
Well,
olive oil.
vegetable oil, but
See what happens. Stop.
Well,
Let's see what we got.
some more.
No, let it settle.
Some more.
No, that should be good.
So
Right or wrong?
Well, why don't we try it with 1, and if we think we
Do
need to add
one
more, we can just
episode.
add some more.
So let's do this under the light again.
We're gonna balance this one.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, this one I think can bounce a little bit better.
Well, that's turning that one blue.
It is kind of turning it blue. I wonder if the problem is the light underneath it is making it's like
So
kind
let's
of,
try this one without the light.
yeah.
this
Let's see how
time.
it's stopping light.
So I'm gonna drop 1 in this time, and then we can maybe do some more after.
Let's see what happens here. Oh yeah,
Oh, that looks so cool.
twist it around.
Let's see.
Slowly, slowly, slowly.
Can you see it?
Oh, that works.
That's cool.
Yep, so we can do
Can you
more
guys see
oil. On the next one, we'll do more oil. Just
So-
let it fizz out. So that's what it was. You need blue.
So
and yellow.
a dark blue food coloring, and then a thick layer of olive oil will like a lot more olive oil than water, and so.
So we're gonna put some more oil in. We're gonna do it with the light this time.
Yeah, why don't we try with the light? Well, finish off the oil, Brielle.
Yeah.
Goodbye, oil.
Yeah, so make sure that you're okay with
Is it the light?
Yeah, let's try it with the light this time.
On top or the
Do
bottom?
you think you could shine the light on the side?
Ooh.
That might be a better way to do it, right?
Turn off the lights?
Yeah, I'll turn off the lights.
So we're gonna turn off
From
the
the
lights.
back or from the front?
So, ooh, that looks pretty. And then
No,
we're going
wait.
to.
Yeah, just like that. That's great. Because
And
then
then
you'll be able to see in the oil.
So the
And it's
oil.
not going to dye the oil colors.
So we're going to put another.
So you can break them in half if you want, so they go to two
Alka-Seltzer
different spots.
So we're gonna do one half right now. Don't know.
Oh, that's so cool. All right, put the other half
And then
in.
we're gonna put another half in.
Oh, yeah, that looks good.
So this is why they call it the lava lamp, because it's like doing it like a lava lamp, so it's letting off and then it's coming down. Don't know.
Keeping on the side. Oh, that's
Oh,
awesome.
that's awesome! I'm gonna turn it around. That's really cool.
Now we
One
have
more
one more
try.
So we're
side.
gonna
One
try
more tablet,
one
so
more
turn the light off,
tab.
and we're gonna try it from the
Let's turn
bottom.
the light back off. And then so we're gonna do it with the olive oil looking blue. Oh, sorry. I think that actually looks.
That looks cool. You can see it. It's like sparkly. Oh, that's neat. I like that. Oh, it's like
So-
big, huge chunks of blue coming up. I love it. So it's making kind of like a chemical reaction. That's really cool. This is a fun science experiment, huh?
So
I'll turn lights back on.
let's turn the lights back on. Oh, that's right. Sorry.
So that was a fun way to spend our day, doing a little bit of science. Now you're doing school every single day
Yeah.
because of like, at home learning
At
and
home
all that.
learning, yeah.
We've been doing math every day, but we haven't had a family science experiment yet. So this
In a
was really
while.
kind of fun.
Yeah.
So thanks for joining us today on our little family science experiment. I hope that you enjoyed it. You can do this at home with just some
I
stuff
really
you probably have in your
suggest
house.
it. It's really, really fun, and it's really cool to see how the bubbles go in. And
Once again, comment below if you know how to get food coloring out of your hands.
Yes, please do
I
that.
can't get it out.
And with that,
We are new here in the heart of Texas. See you later.